Hi everyone, welcome to day 28 of our 30-day challenge. I'm going to have everyone start at the top of their mat. Standing nice and tall, closing the eyes, rolling the palms open to the front of the room, lengthening through the crown of the head, draw the belly in, lift the kneecaps, take an inhale breath through the nose, and on the exhale, open the mouth and say ha, H-A, like you're fogging a mirror. And then inhale through the nose, this time beginning to exhale through the mouth, closing the mouth halfway, creating the same sound through the nose. Last one, inhale. Exhaling through the nose, this time still creating that ujjayi sound. One more breath. And then inhale the arms up alongside the ears, and on the exhale, plant the hands, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, right leg back. Release the knee to the floor, flatten out the top of the foot. Inhale the arms up alongside the ears, and on the exhale, take the hands to heart center. And again, inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center, bending through that front knee. One more time, dropping the hips forward, taking the hands to heart center or hands to the floor. And on the inhale, you're going to lift the back knee, and on the exhale, lower down. Inhale to lift. And exhale. This time we'll stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and gently, slowly release. Inhale the arms up. Dragon pose. Exhale both hands to the inside of that left foot. Step the left foot over. Melt the elbows to the floor. Come back to that ujjayi breath if you've lost it. Again, nice big bend in that front knee, dropping the hips forward. 2 more breaths, trying to get more weight through that left elbow than the right. Last one, finish that exhale. Pressing the hands straight. Keep the right hand down, take the left hand around the back, bind to the foot. You can either keep the right hand down or add the arm. Stay with the breath. Stay bent through that front knee. Drop the hips forward. 3, 2, slowly, gently release the back foot. Curl the toes under, lift the back knee. Take an inhale breath here, and on the exhale, you're going to straighten that left leg. Inhale, bend nice and deep into the left knee. Exhale, straighten. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Come to a nice straight front leg and stay. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, bend into that front knee. Inhale, crescent warrior, arms up alongside the ears. Step to the top of the mat, knee to chest. Exhale. Take one breath. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Good. One more time. Inhale, forward fold. Exhale. Inhale, half lift. This time, left leg all the way back. Release the knee to the floor. Flatten out the top of the foot. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. 2 more. Inhale. Good. Last one. Either keeping the hands at heart center or releasing the hands to the floor. And on the inhale, lift that back knee. And on the exhale, lower down. 3. Good. Stay with your breath. This next one, we're going to hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Inhale the arms up. Dragon pose. Exhale, plant the hands. Walk that right foot out to the side a little bit. Melt the elbows to the ground. Still bending into that front knee. Dropping the hips forward. Come back to the breath. Use that breath. Use that ujjayi breath. Trying to get more weight through that right elbow this time. 2 more. Last one, finish out that exhale. And then straighten the hands. Left hand stays planted. Right hand comes around the back to bind. You can either keep the left hand down or take it to the sky and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly, gently release the back leg. Hands to either side of the front foot. Curl the back toes. Lift the knee. Inhale. Exhale. Straighten the leg. Inhale. Bend into that front knee. And exhale. Straighten. This one we're going to hold. Draw the toes up. Draw the ball of the foot up if you can. Nice and strong through that front leg. 2. Last one. Release the foot. Bend the knee. Inhale. Arms up. Crescent warrior. Exhale, step to the top of the mat and release. Inhale. Forward fold. Exhale. Half lift. Inhale. Plank pose. Exhale. Lower down. Cobra or up dog. Inhale. Down dog. Exhale. And come to seated. Butterfly pose. Soles of the feet together. Hold the toes. Fly your butterfly. Draw the chin into the chest. Shoulders back and belly strong. 2 more breaths here. Second position. Take the feet farther away from you. Take an inhale breath. On the exhale, all the way forward. Let the chin fall to the chest. Come back to that ujjayi breath if you've lost it. On each exhale, let everything become nice and heavy. Last breath. Finish out that exhale. And then walk yourself up with your hands. We're going to come into boat pose. So draw the knees up, lift the toes. We're going to take it Kundalini style. We're going to add breath of fire, but we're going to also add movement. So we're going to lower down and we're going to lift back up and begin. Last one, come down and stay. Inhale, hold, and release onto the back. Exhale. Draw the knees into the chest. Let both legs down to the right. Look to the left. Stay with your breath. Let everything become heavy. And then we're going to come to the other side whenever you're ready. Draw the knees back to center and let them over to the left. Turning the head to the right. Let any remaining tension melt away. Last breath. Come back to center, give the knees a hug. And prepare for Shavasana. Feet toward the corners of the mat, hands down by the sides, palms up. Gentle tuck of the chin toward the chest. Release the ujjayi breath and come to a nice, gentle belly breath. And begin lengthening and deepening the breath. Bringing movement to the hands and the feet. Drawing the knees into the chest. Coming over onto the right side when you're ready. Make your way to a comfortable seated position. We're going to take Bu Mudra, peace fingers, tips of the fingers to the floor. Draw the shoulders back. We're going to take the Kaki breath. So, like you're breathing through a straw, purse your lips, inhale and exhale through the mouth. Repeating the affirmation, I am safe. Last one. And release hands to heart center. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. Namaste.